Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pin to board on Pinterest. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then select a photo or a video that you want to pin to board. After you have selected, tap and hold on the picture. This will come up on your screen. Tap on the pin icon to save. Now the picture will be saved to your profile. Then tap on the saved option, which is on bottom right of your screen. There you'll see the picture. Tap on it. After that, tap on the three-dot menu icon, which is on top right of your screen. Select Edit Pin. There you'll see the option of board. Tap on it and then select the board that you want to pin it to. Now tap on Done, which is on top right of your screen. After you tap on Done, your pin will be updated. This is how you pin to board on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.